Good morning, children. Welcome to the e-class of Default School Baripada. Children, I Tapu sir going to teach grammar to class 5 students. This lesson is the first lesson after your unit test. So this lesson is in your first terminal exam course. Today I am going to teach class 5 student lesson number 3, nouns and gender. So get ready for this video, children. Listen the video properly, children. It is very important lesson. So I am going to explain you about this lesson. So please sit quietly, listen attentively so that you can understand the lesson. Let's start the lesson, children. Nouns are divided into 4 categories according to the gender they refer to. Means in English, nouns are divided into 4 forms according to the gender. First comes the masculine gender. Second comes the feminine gender. Third one, common gender. And fourth one is neuter gender. These are the 4 categories noun is being divided. So this gender refers to male, female, both male and female, neither male and female. So we will discuss about everything in detail. So let's start with masculine gender. So masculine gender, a noun that refers to a male is said to be of masculine gender. Means if a noun says about a male, if it is a human being, animal or bird, it is said to be male. We are talking about male form of the noun. It is called masculine gender. Examples of masculine genders: father, uncle, king, prince, grandfather, lion, dog, bull, nephew and horse. These are all masculine gender. These are all male form of noun. Some of them are human being and some are animals. Next comes the feminine gender. A noun that referred to a female is said to be of feminine gender. Means if the noun says about that it is a female, lady or a girl, it is said to be feminine gender. Example: mother, aunt, queen, princess, grandmother, lioness, bitch, cow, niece and mare. These are all female counterpart of masculine gender. Father is male, mother is female, uncle, aunt, king, queen, prince, princess, grandfather, grandmother, lion, lioness, dog, bitch, bull, cow, nephew, niece, horse, mare. These I told you about both masculine and feminine gender. Now we will discuss about common gender and neuter gender. Common gender, a noun that can refer to both male and female, is said to be of common gender. Means if a noun is showing the quality of both male and female, is said to be common gender. Like child. Child can be a girl child as well as a boy child. Parents. Both mother and father are said to be parents. Passenger can be male passenger or female passenger. Servant, male servant or maid servant. Cousin, brother, cousin, sister. Teacher, male teacher, female teacher. Doctor, lady doctor or male doctor. Patient, male patient, female patient. Friend, boyfriend or girlfriend. student, boy or girl. These noun child, parents, passenger, servant, cousins, teacher, doctor, patient, friend and student are said to be common gender because they can be used in both the case, male as well as female. That's why they are common. Neuter gender, a noun that refer to a non-living thing. Neuter generally comes under those things which have no life, non-living thing. That is neither a male nor a female. If it is a non-living thing, it is sure that you cannot distinguish male or female, because male and female only for living things. If it is bird, animal or human being, it is comes under living thing. But neuter gender generally comes under those things which are non-living. So they cannot be male or female. So neither male nor female. Example: car, bus, table, chair, book, pencil, door and window. These are all non-living things, so they comes under neuter gender. Then masculine and feminine, I have written some words which can be used in masculine, and the opposite counterpart of it also I have written here, feminine gender. Like he, if it is a boy, he; if it is a girl, she. Headmaster, if it is a male master, headmaster; a female lady, headmistress. Hero, heroine; hunter, huntress; husband, wife; king, queen; lad, lad means boy; lash means girl; landlord, landlady; men, woman; milkman, milkmaid. So both male or female I have written, masculine and feminine gender. Next also one more group is there here. Actor, actress. If it is a male actor acting in any film or TV serial, actor. If a lady is acting, the actress. Emperor, empress. Author, authoress. Author is the writer who writes stories, author. If a man is writing, author. If a female is writing, authoress. Bachelor, spinster. Bachelor means a boy or a man who had not married. Unmarried male is bachelor. Unmarried girl is spinster. Boy, girl, brother, sister, father, mother, friend, friend, because friend comes under common gender. So if it is a friend, it feminine also friend. God, goddesses, governor, governess. So here also I have written about masculine as well as feminine gender. Here some more examples of masculine and feminine: abbot, abbess, actor, actress, author, I have told you before, author, authoress, bachelor, spinster, person, personess, benefactor, benefactress, boy, girl, bridegroom, bride. Bridegroom is the person or male who goes to get married. So if it is a male, it is bridegroom. If it is a lady who is going to marry, bride. Brother, sister, bull, cow, cock, hen, cock, sparrow also. Conductor, conductress, counter, countess, crage, cragina, dad, mom, daddy, mummy, drake, duck, drone, bee, duke, duchess, emperor, empress, enchanter, enchantress, father, mother, gander, a bird, goose, gentleman, lady, giant, giantess, god, goddesses. These are some of the examples of masculine and feminine. I have given you this thing to know. You should know. These are the some of the examples you should know about masculine and feminine gender. This lesson, masculine and feminine gender, is over, children. So we have discussed about the four forms of noun: masculine, feminine, common and neuter, and how a male or masculine change into female. I also have given some examples there. Please watch it repeatedly at home. It is better you should watch this video with your parents, so that little bit if you have doubt regarding this, you can get it clear from your parents. Thank you children for watching this video, and please use your time at home so that you can understand properly about your lesson if your parents are sitting there with you. So it will be a great help if you have your parents with you while watching the video. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Stay at home, stay safe. Bye bye.